Hi friends, good morning. Next video from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes. Friends, this video from intermediate first year geology, friends. That is Unit 4, Animal Diversity 2, Chordata Phylum. This is a 4 marks question, friends, SQ short question. What's our question, friends? What are the modifications that are observed in birds help them in flight? You know, friends, birds are vertebrates. They are the flying vertebrates. They can fly. So for that they have some modification, friends, some special modifications which are not present in other vertebrates. Here you have to write what are the modifications that are observed in birds help them in flight. Okay, friends, you know, flying birds have the following modification to suit their aerial mode of life. See, friends, flying birds only. Friends, you know, birds are two types, flying birds and flightless birds. You know, ostrich, friends, American ostrich, African ostrich, kiwi, these all are flightless birds. So those birds do not have these characters. These characters are present only in the flying birds like parrot, like pigeon, and only in the flying birds we are writing, friends. Okay, now see, flying birds have the following modifications. What is the use of this modification, friends? To suit their aerial mode of life, means for flying. What is the first one, friends? See, forelimbs modified into wings. In flying birds, these are the forelimbs, friends, you know. Forelimbs modified into wings. What are wings, friends? Wings are modified forelimbs. Next, second point, body is covered by feathers. First one, friends, forelimbs modified into wings. Body is covered by feathers. Third one, friends, important one, very, very important one, presence of pneumatic bones. You have a VSQ, friends. What are pneumatic bones? The bones with air cavities are called as pneumatic bones. What are pneumatic bones, friends? The bones with air cavities are called as pneumatic bones. Due to these pneumatic bones, the flying birds have less in weight. So what is the third modification, friends? They have pneumatic bones. Come to fourth one, friends. Presence of synsacrum. Synsacrum, friends. The vertebral column of the birds have vertebra. These vertebra are fused to form some separate structures, friends. See, the vertebra of the other than tail fused to form synsacrum. Please, no need to write that definition, friends. What is synsacrum? No need to write. Here you have to write presence of synsacrum. What is synsacrum, friends? Some of the vertebral bones or vertebrae fused to form synsacrum. Okay, friends? Next, presence of pygostyle. Friends, what is pygostyle? The bones, vertebra of the tail of birds fused to form pygostyle. Okay, please, no need to write the definition, friends. You have to write flying birds have presence of synsacrum. Flying birds have presence of pygostyle. Okay, friends. Next, presence of furcula. One more VSQ, friends. Furcula. So it is also called as wishbone or merithard bone. The two clavicles with interclavicle fused to form a V-shaped bone, or that is called as furcula. Okay, friends. Presence of furcula, presence of synsacrum, presence of pygostyle, presence of feathers, wings modified, forelimbs modified to wings, presence of pneumatic bones. These are the modifications of the flying birds, friends. Next, friends, next point you have to know, presence of keel or carina to the sternum. See, friends, this is a breastbone. If you see the breastbone of a bird, it has a dome-shaped structure. That is called what, friends? Keel or carina. Keel or carina. Presence of keel or carina to the sternum is an important character of the birds, flying birds. So because of that only, friends, flying birds are called as carinati. Friends, whenever you hear the word carinati, it indicates flying birds. Whenever you hear the word ratiti, it indicates flightless birds. Friends, you have to remember this. Carinati means flying birds. What is carinati, friends? Sternum has keel. That keel is also called as carina. This carina is absent in flightless birds. Because of they are called as ratiti. Flying birds have carina. Because of that we are calling them as carinati. Next, friends. Flying birds have flight muscles. Friends, we don't have flight muscles. But flying birds have flight muscles. What are they, friends? Pectoralis major and pectoralis minor, which help in flying. So flying birds have flight muscles which help in flying. Next, friends, absence of teeth. You see, friends, flying birds have no teeth. Absence of teeth. Next, presence of air sacs. You see, flying birds have air sacs, 9 air sacs, friends, in addition to their lungs. These air sacs present on either side of the lungs, on each side of the lungs, friends. Total they have 9 air sacs. Okay, friends. Next, continuous oxygen. Friends, we receive oxygen only during inspiration, but birds receive oxygen during inspiration and expiration. That is called as what, friends? Continuous oxygenation. Next, absence of urinary bladder. Friends, if they have urinary bladder, they store the urine. It increases the weight of the body. So because of that, flying birds have no urinary bladder. Next, presence of sclerotic plates in the eye. This is very, very important, friends. When they are flying into the high altitude due to low pressure, their eyes may get damaged, friends. So for the production of eyes, they have what, friends? Sclerotic plates. Presence of sclerotic plates. Next, friends, presence of pecten. Pecten is a comb-shaped structure. It is also present in the eyes, friends. Presence of pecten. Next, very, very important, friends, absence of right ovary and right oviduct. Friends, the female birds have only left ovary and left oviduct. Males have both right and left testes and vas deferens. But female birds have only right ovary and left ovary and left oviduct. They don't have right ovary and right oviduct. Friends, they don't have right ovary and right oviduct. They have what, friends? Left ovary and left oviduct only. Next, they don't have copulatory organ or penis. Absence of copulatory organ. Okay, friends. Now see some of the images, friends. See, friends, this is neophron vulture. Friends, last time, this is neat question, friends. What is the scientific name of the neophron belongs to which group of vertebrates? It belongs to what, friends? Birds. Neophron, common name is vulture, friends. See, friends, this is parrot. Scientific name is Psittacula. These are flying birds. Flying birds, friends, Psittacula. Now see, friends, this is furcula, friends. 2 clavicles fused to form furcula. Next, see, friends, this is keel or carina. Okay, friends. Now here you see, friends, these are the lungs. Next, what are these, friends? These are the air sacs. These air sacs form what, friends? Pneumatic bones. See, friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 we have, friends. Okay, friends. This is about the modifications of the flying birds for aerial mode of life. Once again, friends, first you see 4 limbs modified into wings, body is covered by feathers, presence of pneumatic bones, presence of synsacrum, presence of pygostyle, presence of furcula, presence of keel or carina to sternum, presence of flight muscles, absence of teeth, presence of air sacs, continuous oxygen, absence of urinary bladder, presence of sclerotic plates in the eyes, presence of pecten in the eyes, absence of right ovary and right oviduct, and absence of copulatory organ. See friends, here one more diagram. See friends, this is male reproductive system. Here we have male has both right and left testis, but come to female friends. Female has only left ovary and left oviduct. There is no right ovary and right oviduct friends. Female has only left ovary and left oviduct. Right ovary and right oviduct are absent in the female birds. Okay friends, this is about what friends? This is about our question. What is that question friends? See, what are the modifications that are observed in birds help them flight. Okay friends, thank you. Good day.